Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to a new vlog, and I haven't made a video in quite a long time. It's actually been over a year, so that's pretty insane. I got pretty used to making videos for some time, but I pretty much just took a huge break. It was like I didn't even know what kind of content I wanted to make, and I was just really confused with what I wanted to do with my channel. But now I'm back and we're gonna make some vlogs. Right now we are in Mexico and it is one of our last days here, so I should have probably vlogged a few days earlier, but it doesn't matter because now we're here and we're about to go into dinner. So yeah, I forgot how to vlog. Es video, ven. We're back. Dinner was great, but now we're gonna go to sleep because we're really tired and it's like 1 a.m. so we are off to breakfast. So we are here at breakfast and obviously we're late, but I feel like that's just something that happens when you travel with a big group because everyone kind of has their own thing going. So I feel like not everyone really agrees on, you know, everything and what time you leave. So but we're here, so it's all that matters. So we had breakfast and I have to say I'm so full that I don't think I could ever eat again. I ate way too much bread and donuts. So right now we're going to a pool because it's our last day and I have like a whole list of things that I want to do before we go. So I'm hoping to do all of that today, because tomorrow we leave pretty early, so we won't really have time to do anything tomorrow. One of the things that I like about being here is that the temperature is pretty much just like perfect because it's not too hot. Usually it's like around 80-degree weather here, and it's usually hotter because the sunlight is usually hitting you like pretty hard most of the time, but it is better than 100-degree weather back in Phoenix. So I moved spots because I found this really cool spot that I could fly the drone. I'm 90% sure that I'm not supposed to be flying it in the actual resort, but I really want to fly it, and if they do say something, then I guess I can just bring it back. It's not like they're gonna take it away or anything. And we're also really close to an airport, so I'm hoping that doesn't interfere with anything and it still lets me fly, so I'm gonna see. I'm actually really happy with how all the videos came out because I think it actually looks pretty cool from the sky. All this like pool area, I think it looks really good. And also I got a pretty good video of the river that's right here. And there's actually like crocodiles in that river, so you're not really supposed to get close to it. I think I got some pretty good shots. Also, something pretty cool that I was able to capture from here was the nature reserve that they have right here close by across the river, which is basically just a place that they left alone. Like they just bought that land and they just kept it as a nature reserve, which I think is really cool. So I'm heading back to the room because I need to drop off the drone battery to charge because surprisingly, over the course of a few weeks, they do lose a little bit of battery life. So I dropped off the drone batteries and I have to say that when we come out from my room, get this incredible view of the entire building, which actually is kind of scary, but it looks really good. If you guys are ever here, I would recommend looking at all the activities and all the pools and all the restaurants that you can go to so you can make a plan, because when we come we usually don't really have a plan, we just kind of go along with how things go. So I would definitely recommend looking into everything that goes into this place before actually getting here. That way you have a plan. Oh, I am here and I need to get all the way over here. It's a little bit of a walk, but I'm not coming with my family because I just kind of wanted to come by myself. Also, you may notice that I probably look very dumb right now with this hat, but you know, I mean, at the end of the day, it's just necessary, especially if you're here in this kind of climate. Also, if you notice that the quality is a little bit different, that's because I switched to the DJI's Osmo Action. So, incredible camera. It has a front screen so I can see myself when I'm vlogging, and it's waterproof up to like I think 30 meters or something like that. But hopefully I don't get lost because I'm literally basically in the middle of a jungle. So, but it's so nice. But it's also very humid, so sometimes it can get a little bit hard to breathe, especially if you're doing like any kind of long distance walking. So I'm already here, but I thought the walk was gonna be a lot longer. Hopefully there's not much of a line. I also have to find a place to hide my stuff because I just came here by myself and I don't have a place to sit, so I don't know where to put this. Maybe I can just hide it like back here or something. Okay, can you see that? I think you can. You can't really see that, can you? No, that's perfect. Hit my foot when I fell down. So at first it doesn't really look like it picks up a lot of speed, but towards the end it gets really fast, and that's where I hit my foot when I hit the water. Get my stuff and get out. Now, something that a lot of people may find to be bad news, and I find that it's really good news for me, is that I think it's about to rain, because it's getting pretty cloudy and the sun and the light is just like starting to disappear. So I'm really hoping that it rains, fingers crossed, because I just love the rain. And that's why I like it, because I can't get sunburnt. Update, it's literally been like 30 seconds and the wind is starting to pick up. It got even windier right there. Also, if you guys are wondering, I am using the Sony CV1, which I think is literally the most perfect vlogging camera. It's perfect. It is not mine, however, I am renting it. I don't even think I've shown you guys the view of our hotel, but this is it. It's literally the most perfect view, and it's probably one of the best views we're ever gonna get.
Okay, ¿estás hablando en inglés?
So, this is probably gonna sound kind of dumb, but I think it's like 12 right now, and I'm heading down to the pool. Yeah, I know, but I'm not really tired, and I want to take some pictures because I don't feel like I don't have a lot of pictures of myself. God, the lobby is so scary and lonely at night. I don't think I've ever seen it this empty. There's a piano. Imagine I just go in there and start playing the piano while everyone's asleep. Okay, so that was probably not a very good update to the vlog, but we did go out to eat. Keep hearing noises and animals, and it's just scary because definitely a different experience because it feels very lonely. Well, not anymore. There's people right there. Also, while I was walking over here in the path, a giant bird literally flew in front of my face and scared the living crap out of me. These animals here are just ridiculous. So here's the dilemma. In all the time that I've been here taking pictures, like just now, I don't actually think I got anything good. So, was it a waste of time? Maybe, but it was still nice to come out and get scared by nature. I'll just take a few more and then I'll go back. Bad idea, cancelled. I'm going back now because I was walking up the stairs to leave and freaking DSLR camera slipped out of my freaking hands. But I did catch it with this lanyard string that it has, so that was very, very lucky. So I think I'm gonna have to be very careful from now on. So I started doing that by putting the camera around my neck because I don't trust myself. Tomorrow's plans are pretty simple. We're not really doing anything crazy. It's just gonna be kind of the usual. We're going to, well, first of all, tomorrow's gonna be the day that we leave. We gotta check out by, I'm not actually sure what time, but we all wanna wake up early to go see the sunrise and do a couple more things before we leave. God, this vlog is like so long. I feel like it's like 10 hours long by now. Also, my arm hurts from holding this camera. Also, if you're watching this vlog to this point, then thank you, because I've just been rambling on about the most random things. So, it's the next morning and we leave today. A couple of hours. And I'm gonna get some coffee. I don't actually drink coffee, and today is just one of those days. I basically didn't really sleep last night because I was out taking pictures, which was a really bad idea. So now we are off to the beach to catch the last sunrise. Actually, sunrise was a few, like, I think it was like a few hours ago. So I'm not really gonna go see a sunrise, but still we're gonna go down to the beach and fly. So we're in this little pool area. I keep seeing like this bird. I'm not actually sure what it is, but I think it looks pretty cool. We're about to go to the beach right now so I can fly the drone and get one last drone shot of the entire place. So now that I'm done flying the drone, we're gonna go back. So, a little change of plans. We're going to the little shop again because we need to do some last minute shopping. And I feel like we've been there, like at that little shop 3 times within the last 12 hours. But we keep going back because I keep wanting to buy like a hat or a shirt or something. But I keep forgetting and we just keep going back and I keep forgetting to get the freaking hat or shirt. So, hopefully this time I'll get something. Okay, so I'm at this shop where there's like a bunch of clothes and souvenirs, but everything's just a little bit too pricey. Oh, but something that I found here that I really like is that they have like sprays. Because like here, like every building has like a certain smell and it just smells incredible. And they sell the fragrances. But like, for example, this one is 378 pesos, which is equivalent to this many dollars. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna get that. I probably will. And there's also like some hats over here. Do I look good in my hat? I feel like I look dumb. No, I look dumb. I'm putting it back. I wanna buy something that reminds me of this place. Let me see if I can find a souvenir. Okay, so I found this little like keychains and things like that. Also like some coffee mugs and things like that over here. 76 pesos. That's like maybe $3, I think, something like that. So I wanted to get one of these water bottles, like these thermos, but they're so expensive. There's like 728 pesos. I'm not paying that much for that. And that's it. That's the end. I'm really gonna miss this place. So we're leaving now, and it's pretty tough to leave a place like this, especially after a week, because I feel like the longer you are somewhere, the more emotionally attached you get to it. And let me tell you that we definitely got attached to this place, and it's so sad to see it go. But we'll be back in probably a year, and I hope next time we come we get this tower, because it's so great. And I just can't get over this lobby area. So nice. So from the shop, I ended up getting a little pin and a little thing for your keychain. It's backwards. And I also got the Grand Lux spray, which is in the luggage. So we're at the airport and we were getting ready to leave and everything, but I'm not gonna get into too much detail, but we basically missed our flight. It wasn't really our fault. What's gonna happen is we're gonna go to a hotel and get the next flight out tomorrow. So it's been a few days and I am officially back home from the trip, and I have to say it's pretty crazy here, the weather coming back, because I was getting used to being around 80-degree weather, and so going from 80-degree weather to 115-degree weather was, trust me, not a very pleasant change. But it's always good to come back home after a long vacation. And yeah, since I didn't really film an outro for this video, I thought I would film it now. So thank you guys so much for watching. This video was honestly one of my most favorite videos. I feel like it was probably very boring for a lot of people, if anyone watched it at all. There's this one quote that always stuck to me ever since I got into vlogging, which is, editing really becomes a big part in making YouTube videos, in the sense that you can really relive the memory of what you filmed, which is actually a reason that I started vlogging. I really enjoyed filming and editing this video. And also, obviously, I had to return the camera that I was filming it on. I was filming it on the Sony ZV-1, which I actually liked so much that I'm actually considering in starting to save up to buy it, because I thought it was very good camera. But it has been about a year since it came out, so it's probably a good idea to wait for the second one, but I don't know, we'll see. I am planning to make vlogs this summer, and I will also be making vlogs when I go back to school in August, I'm pretty sure. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed, like I said, making and filming this vlog. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog, which I promise will be very soon. See you guys in my next video.